Welcome to GreenBiz Studio. I'm Shauna Rappaport, Vice President and Executive Director of Verge with GreenBiz Group, and I'm speaking today with Luana Pinheiro, the Sustainability Transformation Manager for Tetrapak America. Welcome, Luana.
Nice to be with you.
So let's first do a little bit of level setting for those who may be less familiar. What is Tetrapak?
Yeah, it's a good start. So Tetrapak is a global leader in packaging and processing solutions for food and beverage industry. Our founder, Dr. Rubenhausen, has developed an aseptic technology in 1950s to allow food and beverage to remain good on shelf for a long period of time without refrigeration and additives and preservatives. And most people recognize Tetra Pak today for our carton packages that you may purchase your juice, chicken broth, or even soups in.
That's great. And beyond just packaging, Tetra Pak is really making strides to minimize its environmental impact overall. Talk a little bit about the steps that you're taking, both to reduce the carbon footprint of your packaging, but your carbon footprint more broadly as well.
Yeah, we have been working for many, many years to reduce carbon footprint of our packaging and the entire value chain. And I can say that our low carbon circular portfolio is strong already. So if you take, for example, our standard package, you see that around 71% of the raw materials come from renewable source today. 100% of the paperboard that we use is FSC certified. We are also the first in food and beverage industry to have the Bonsucro certification to attest to the sustainable sourcing of the sugar cane that we use in our plant-based polymers. We're also talking about recyclable package that has been recycled in 170 recycling facilities all over the world. And our packages offer lower carbon footprint when compared to other alternatives. So we have been done a lot, but we still think that we can be even better. And that's why we are now committing to invest 80 million euros per year for the next 4 years in packaging innovation to reach what we call the ideal package of the future that is both fully renewable and fully recyclable. And we are doing that by improving the renewability in our packaging composition by removing or replacing fossil-based plastics, for example. We are also developing alternatives for plastic straws like paper straws, tetrad caps, and other anti-littering openings. And we're also wanting to improve circularity of our package by enhancing recycling by design.
That's so great, and such a holistic suite across your whole business. I know that Tetra Pak also recently announced a significant new climate goal. Is there any more that you want to share about that, and as it connects to all of the initiatives that you just spoke to?
We are now committing to reach net zero greenhouse gas emissions in our operations by 2030 and across the entire value chain by 2050. They are pretty ambitious targets, and we are planning to do that by focusing on 4 key areas. So the first one is to really reduce energy-related emissions through some energy conservation and energy efficiency projects by installing solar panels in our factories and using renewable energy. The second is partnering with our suppliers to really reduce carbon footprint in our supply chain. The third is to accelerate the development of our both packaging and equipment roadmaps to fit the low carbon circular economy concept. And the last one is to really collaborate with our customers, with recyclers, municipalities, and other industries to create or to develop a more sustainable recycling chain so that our cartons could be collected and recycled all over the world.
Well, it's so exciting to get a window of insight into the breadth and the depth of initiatives and bold, ambitious goals. We're looking forward to continuing to track your progress, celebrating with you along the way. Thank you so much for your time and participation, Luana. You just heard from Luana Pinheiro, the Sustainability Transformation Manager for Tetrapak Americas. Thank you so much.
Thank you.